guys, so I took the weekend off work this week to clear my head and get on top of some things, and I took myself down to Mystery Bay where I heard there was amazing snorkeling, and I can see why there is amazing snorkeling. The rock formations in the water are just unbelievable. Like over here there's like a dive through cave. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Unfortunately, it is a little bit too rough for me. What I want to know is, would you snorkel in this?